In this video, we will see how we can download and install the latest version of .NET SDK in Windows 11 computer. So here, what I have done is I have opened up the Edge browser, and in the URL bar, we will enter the website address as .net, and then we will hit the enter key, and it will take us to this particular page. Here we will click on downloads, and straight away we can see the download option depending on the operating system that we are using. So the latest version at the moment is .NET 10. So depending on when you're watching this video, this version number may be different. It will automatically show the latest version. What we have to do is we have to click on this download .NET SDK. It will take us to another page and the download will begin automatically. Now we have to wait for this download process to complete. Okay, now the download is complete. I will click on this open file on this downloaded file. What it does is it will launch the .NET SDK installer, and here we will click on this install. If it asks for the permission, then click on yes and provide the permission. It will install. We just have to wait for this process to complete. Okay, now the installation is complete. We will click on this close. Now the next thing that we do is we will make sure that the installation has finished properly. In order to check for that, we will click on the start menu and we will search for terminal, and we will open up the terminal, and in this terminal we will type in a command, and that is .NET space -- info, and once I hit the enter key, I will get to see the details about the .NET SDK that we have installed. For example, here I have installed the version number 10. Now, if you get any error here instead of this particular message, then it means that some issue is there. You have to do the reinstall. Now, the next thing that we do is we will see what are the project options that we have once we install this .NET SDK. For that, we will type in the command .NET new and then list. If I hit the enter key, I can see all the project options that I can create here. For example, we can create the console applications, DLL files, all these project options are available in here. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.